Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we tackle everyday problems with practical solutions. Let's see what we can learn today. So today we are diving into a common Excel dilemma that many of us have encountered at least once in a lifetime, and that is the struggle of entering a long number into any cell. Let's take an example. We need to enter a credit card number into this cell. If we try to put 11 digit, there is no issue. But the problem arises when the number consists of 12 or more digits. In that case, Excel automatically converts it into scientific notation or truncates the digits. It can be incredibly frustrating, but we have to get a simple solution for getting over the problem. To fix this, just select the cells or range of cells containing the long numbers, then right click and choose Format Cells. In the dialog box, choose Custom Category from Number tab and replace the type General to 12 # or 0. Then click on OK. See, now you can ensure that Excel displays the full length of your numbers without any truncation. But what if you are dealing with really long numbers where a number consists of 20 digits? Because with the previous method you can write a number with 15 digits. Now that should be really a problem. Do not fear, I will teach you how to write really big number into a cell of Excel. For that, first select the blank cell where you want to write the long numbers, then right click and choose Format Cell again. From Number tab, choose Text Category and click on OK. That's it. See, now you can enter really long numbers on the formatted cells. An error message will be appearing on each cells after entering the number, but don't worry, simply ignore them like this. And that's for today. With this trick, you can conquer the challenge of entering and formatting long numbers in Excel like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical solutions. Thanks for watching.